Hello friends, a new case of on the same line, two or more players playing a game alternatively in succession, and the game is continued until a player wins the game. That means the game can be continued indefinitely, and hence there will be the case of summation of infinite geometric series. In this case, the problem is A, B and C in order draw a card from a pack of 52 cards, replacing their cards after each draw. That means the game is to draw a card out of a pack of 52 cards, and the definition of success is to draw a card of heart. If the first man to draw a heart wins, whoever gets the card of heart first wins the game. What is their respective chances or probabilities? So to get a card of heart is definition of success. There are 13 cards of heart and total there are 52 cards. So the probability will be 13C1, that is 13 divided by total number of cases 52C1, 52. So ultimately it is 1 by 4. And probability of failure will be 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4, and in this particular case number of players x in the formula is 3. What exactly can we imagine about this game? A starts the game, suppose, that is first player, anyone can be the first player. A wins, the game is over. Or A fails, now it is B's turn, B wins, the game is over. Or A fails and B fails and now it is C's turn and C wins the game. Or A fails and B fails and C fails and now again A's turn and A wins the game. Or A fails and B fails and C fails and A fails and B wins the game. Or A fails and B fails and C fails and A fails and B fails and C wins the game. Indefinitely the game will be continued until one of them or one of A, B and C wins the game. So it is case of summation of infinite geometry, and as in mathematics we many a times derive the formula of summation of infinite geometric series, we can use it here as formula, and according to that the probability of first player, that means the player who starts the game, in this case it is A, we are going to calculate it in terms of in order A, B and C. So first player, that is A, S 1 by 4 into 1 upon 1 minus F means 3 by 4, rest to X means 3, number of players. So it will be 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 1 minus 3 into 3 into 3, 27, 4 into 4 into 4, 64. So 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 64 minus 27. What is 64 minus 27? It is 37. So it is 37 upon 64. So ultimately it is 1 by 4 into 64 by 37. If we cancel 4 with 64 by 16, the probability of first player, that is A in this case, is 16 by 37. Now B or second player. The first turn of second player comes only if the first player who starts the game fails in his first trial. So it will be failure of first, and now as if the second player starts the game. So we can consider him as the first player. So ultimately the formula will be failure into probability of first player. So it will be 3 by 4 into 16 by 37. So it ultimately comes to 12 by 37 in this case. Probability of second player winning the game, that can be considered for B. Now what about the third player? When will the first turn of third player comes? If the first player fails and second player fails, and now it is turn of third player. So we can believe that the third player starts the game at the time of his first trial. So logically it will be failure into probability of first player. Because now we can believe that C is the first player. Because A failed, B failed. So C starts the game again. That type of situation. Yes. F square 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into probability of first player 16 by 37. 4 cancelled against 16. So it is 9 by 37. Probability of third player or probability of C in this case. Now add the probability of these three. 16 plus 12, 28 plus 9, 37. 37 by 37. So the summation of the three probabilities is 1. Because these three are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. At a time, either A or B or C, any one can win. So mutually exclusive. There is no fourth player. So this is exhaustive case. That's it. Thank you very much.